Hi guys, welcome back to our Vexel art tutorial part 2. And if you missed the previous video, which is the line art, you can click this link. And just a reminder guys, this series of Vexel art tutorial ay hindi ko po ginawa to for beginners or starters o nagsisimulang mag-aral pa lang ng Vexel art. I suggest that panoorin nyo muna yung previous videos natin, I mean yung series of videos natin on Vexel art kung beginner ka or you're just starting to learn Vexel art. Okay, ulitin ko, this video is for advanced users already o yung mga may experience na on Vexel art. Okay, so let's trace. Let's start with the face. Okay, yan. Trace lang natin mga lodi. Okay lang lumampas kasi matatakpan naman po siya ng line art. But dito, on the hands, yan, let's ensure that we trace this precisely or tama. Okay, dapat precise tayo sa pagte-trace dito mga lodi. Kasi kapag lambas-lambas, kulang-kulang, pangit. Ayaw natin yon. Okay? So, I'm just going to trace this one. Okay, so we're done tracing the face. Okay, so let's organize our our layers. Ayan, so let's change the color. Double click the base color. So that's it. That's how easy or ganun lang kadali mga lodi paano gawin yung base color natin. Okay, this time naman we're going to trace yung pinaka light color sa ating reference. So we're going to trace the lightest color, skin color of our reference. Okay, so I'm going to use this color, the third color on our color palette. Make sure to naka new layer kayo. Okay, so if you're going to notice, I'm tracing the lightest color of our reference. So yung pinakamalinaw, pinakamaliwanag na kulay ng skin ng reference natin mga lodi. So iba't iba naman yan, but on this reference, yan lang yung napansin kong lightest color sa kanyang skin. Okay, so I'm going to hide the reference and make sure to exclude. After that, yan, exclude natin mga lodi, exclude natin, close, and then yan, palitan natin yung kulay. After changing the color, release the pen tool, and then let's add a clipping mask sa base natin. So click natin to, alt click lang. Okay, okay, after that, ayan mga lodi, just a few tip or reminder lang. Please wag niyong pagpalitin yung kulay ng base color natin sa second color natin sa skin shadings. Okay, please do not do that. Kung gagawin nyo man yun, magkakaroon po kayo ng mga problema. Okay, you will face encounter as we go on to the process. Kakaroon po kayo ng problema sa skin masking pag magmamas na kayo. So please do not interchange those two colors. Huwag yung pagpalitin. Kung paano yung workflow na ginagawa ko dito, sundan nyo na lang yung mga lodi. Okay, please follow the right procedure on using this color palette. Okay, so I think that's it for this video tutorial mga lodi. Let me know down the description, down on the comment below kung nahirapan ba kayong sundan to or masyadong mabilis. So maraming salamat mga lodi. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video if you learned something, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.